Find or read reviews that people are talking about. AKMADM RVsTrailer Wi-Fi hidden camera, 4K HD camera, easy to install and use, best wireless camera with motion detection. Alarm and night vision for home security, anti-theft. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose AKMADM RVsTrailer Wi-Fi hidden camera. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Many camera has night vision function, no matter day or night, or in a dark environment, you can see clearly. When the camera is turned on, it can be operated on the mobile phone to shoot video or screenshots, and at the same time it can receive audio and save it to a TF card or software file, which can be viewed at any time. Our Wi-Fi security camera has the function of mobile monitoring alarm. After the camera is connected to the home Wi-Fi, you can set it yourself. After it is turned on, when a moving object is detected in the camera, an alarm will be issued, and a screenshot will be sent to you in the software Send a Message. The software can support watching 4 screens at the same time, and every corner is monitored in place. The indoor security camera with phone app is easy to operate. Camera Wireless has 2 connection methods, scanning the QR code on the manual to download the software. Scanning the code to connect the camera, or connecting the camera with a Wi-Fi signal connection, very simple. After the first connection, there is no need to scan the code again. Security camera indoor wireless. Camera Wi-Fi is equipped with a main unit, a detachable camera base that can be rotated 360 degrees, a base fixing magnet, 4 base fixing stickers, a charging cable and an instruction manual. Equipped with a magnet base that can be moved to any iron product, it can be used in a wider range of scenarios, avoiding that it cannot be moved to other equipment after being fixed. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget subscribe, press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.